Hello guys, now for those who have always asked me how can you analyze the market when you're using your bot, this is how you can do it. First of all, open the two Deriv tabs, okay? One Deriv tab, open Deriv Trader, the second one, Deriv Bot. Now once you do that, you do this. You come here to your browser at this particular icon, click on that icon, and then come back here, all right? Now I want you to drag this, like click on it and then drag it if you have a mouse or if you are using a laptop up to a particular point, as you can see, right here. Now once you drag it, you come and readjust this one. So I'll come and readjust this side. So readjust it, and then now let me show you, and then I'll pull it down. Okay, let me pull it down. Okay, like this. Drag it there, and then drag it there. Okay. Now, once you do that, you make sure you minimize. As you can see right now, you cannot see all the digit numbers. So come here and click on Control. Sorry, let me click on Control, and then I'll just scroll behind like that. Scroll again until you can see all the digits. So as you can see right now, I have one part of my screen whereby I can run my bot as I'm analyzing the digits at the same time. So it becomes so easy for me to trade. Let me go back a bit. So you can see this side I have my bot, this side I have the market. So I can be trading while looking at what is happening in the market, and this will make my work so much easier. Okay, so if you're trading Deriv, instead of going from one tab to the next, just split your screen. One part of the screen have Deriv Trader, one part have Deriv Bot, and run your bot. You do not need to use any analysis tool because it is difficult to do this. It is very simple. Okay, basically you just have to ensure you adjust these two screens. Okay, as you can see, you can just adjust it how you want. Adjust it. You can minimize it. As you can see, I can come here and then I can minimize this screen. Can minimize it there, and you can see I can still come here and start doing my runs as I'm analyzing my digits. And if I want to change, it becomes so much easier. This is why I usually say, if you have a laptop, use it. Okay, if you have a phone, don't worry. If you don't have a laptop, just ensure you have two phones. Okay, one phone you're looking at the market, one phone you're trading. It will make your work so much easier. Okay, but please don't trade using only one phone. That time, you see, when you're using your phone, when you go to the market to analyze something, and before you come even to run your bot, the market might have changed, and so you'll be put in a lot of disadvantage. So if you're using your phone, ensure you have two phones. You can borrow someone, okay, your friend, your relative, or someone you are around, and use that second phone just to see what is happening in the market as you are executing trades with your phone. But please execute trades with your ensure you have two phones, or if you have a laptop, just use split screen. As you can see, one part of my screen, one part of my screen. Okay, if I want to return this tab to where it was, I'll just drag it back. So I'll just pull it. Let me show you. I'll just pull it. I don't know if I can be able to pull it. Let me see. Okay, let me try. As you can see, like that. All right, once again, if you have two tabs, you grab this one, click on it if you're using a mouse, and then just drag it. Okay, as you can see, I'm dragging it, and then I just pull it to where you want it and release. And that is it. It is that simple. Okay, so if you have always wondered how to do it, this is how you do it. If you have any question about this, please put it down in the comment section and I will answer you. Apart from that, thank you for listening and good luck.